Hello, for this lab, I'm going to be investigating how much time spent in a toaster will impact the rate of reaction of this bread by putting it in at different amount of times. So first we're going to start by taking the temperature for the bread at room temperature. As you can see, it is 74 degrees Fahrenheit. The same thermometer, bread, and toaster will be used. We have to wait a few moments, but soon we will see the temperature of bread after being in a toaster for 45 seconds. Oh! This is the fourth and final trial. This is the bread, and as we can see on the temperature, it is climbing at a fast rate. And here is a graph showing the temperature of toast per second in a toaster. There are many key conclusions that we can draw from the data. The first is that as time spent in a toaster rises, so will the temperature. Another thing is how the pieces of data relate to each other. As we can assume that if more trials were done with more time spent in a toaster, the temperature would increase. Time is not a factor that affects the rate of reaction, therefore we could not tell anything about rate of reaction from this lab, so it was not effective. The actual factors that can affect the rate of reaction are reactant concentration, surface area, temperature, and catalyst. And the reason why time doesn't work is because time is what rate of reaction is measured in, so we cannot use it as a means to affect. In the future, I would have changed a few things about this lab to make it effective. And so the first thing would be, I could still keep the toast. However, instead of changing the amount of time it spends in the toaster, I would change the temperature that the toaster is at, probably at 3 increments or possibly on 3 settings. And then we could see how the temperature affects the rate of reaction, which is actually one of the 4 factors that does.